7 little frogs sat on a log by the pond, so bright and warm. They wiggled and giggled all day long in the sunny, happy morn. One frog said, "Hop, hop, hop," and jumped in the pond with a plop. Splash went the water round and round. Now there are 6 on the log. 6 little frogs sat on a log, smiling in the sun. One frog said, "Hop, hop, hop," and jumped in for fun. Plop went the water, splash, splash, splash. Now there are 5 frogs left. Count them slowly, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 we clap. 5 little frogs sat on a log, waving to the sky. One frog said, "Hop, hop, hop," and jumped in, oh my. Splash, splash, plop, plop, plop. Now there are 4, you see. Let's all count together now. 1, 2, 3, 4, whee! 4 little frogs sat on a log, dragonflies flying near. One frog said, "Hop, hop, hop," and jumped with a cheer. Plop went the pond so blue. Now there are 3. Clap your hands and count with me. 1, 2, 3, hee hee! 3 little frogs sat on a log, laughing happily. One frog said, "Hop, hop, hop," and jumped in with glee. Splash, splash in the pond. Now there are 2. Jump up high and shout, "Hooray!" 1, 2, woohoo! 2 little frogs sat on a log, swinging tiny feet. One frog said, "Hop, hop, hop," and jumped with a leap. Plop went the water,